Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add server on Plex. So in order to add server on Plex, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log into your plex.com. So for that, go ahead and type in plex.tv.com on the web address bar, and that's going to directly take you to the official page. Make sure that you're already logged in. If not, just tap on the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, then you'll have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon next to it, and after that go to account settings. Once you're on the account settings page, then it's going to take you to the account center page where you can see all of the information. But right on this page, in the left hand side bar, you can also see multiple options. So from there, you need to go to streaming services. Now currently the streaming services is not available in my region, so I'm unable to show you the interface. But if you have already added the services or streaming services whatsoever, then you'll be able to find an option located right in the corner, add, and just go ahead and tap on the add button, and you need to provide in the information in order to add the services. And that's basically how you can add server on Plex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.